Hello everyone, welcome to another video from Crystal Tuts. As you can see, I'm currently using Windows 10 Pro Technical Preview build 9926. It's the latest build, and I want to show you 6 fails I discovered in Windows 10 in this particular build. I know it's just a technical preview, but I just wanted to put this video out there to maybe help Microsoft to resolve these problems and make it better in the final update. So let's get started. The first one is in the music app. So if we open the music app from the start menu and start playing a track, I have here one track just for demonstration purposes. When we click on play, then choose now playing, there's no bar at the bottom that shows the duration, pause, unpause, and volume, etc. If you want to show it, you need to somehow resize the app. If you resize it, it will show up, as you can see. If we close it again and reopen it and start the track again, you won't see the bar at the bottom. If you resize it from the edge, for example, it will show up. The second one is in the notification. As you can see, instead of the flag that has been around in Windows 8 in Windows 8.1, there is now a new notification sidebar in Windows 10 that shows your notifications up here and some basic settings down here. The problem with this is some notifications don't work. As you can see, for example, this notification, it says click to view messages about your computer, but when you click on it, nothing's happened. It's not the only notification that doesn't work. There are many notifications I have seen don't work in this notification sidebar. The third one is in the start menu. As you can see, some of the tiles are on, some of the tiles are off, live tiles I mean. But the problem is there's no option to turn the tiles off or on. The option was available in the previous build, but in this build they took it off. I don't know why, but there's no option to turn the live tile off or on. As you can see, there's no option, even the music app, nothing. The fourth one is in Cortana Assistant, which by the way doesn't work outside of the United States. And to make it work, you need to go to Start menu, then PC settings, then time in language and region, then you change your region to United States. The problem is in the weather application that shows up in Cortana. It's in Fahrenheit degree and there's no option to change it to Celsius or whatsoever. So if you click on it, it takes you to the website msn.com that shows you the weather of your current location. And if you go to settings or notebook to change weather, as you can see, when you click on weather, there is no settings to change it to Celsius. Even if you go to the settings, of course, the settings, there's nothing at all that show anything about weather. The fifth one is in the new store that Microsoft has been talking about in their presentations. As you can see, there is the ordinary store that has been in Windows 8, but there's a new one that's called Store Beta. If you open Store Beta, you will see a real fail in some applications or some icons. I don't know what's the problem with them, but you will see in a second. As you can see, if you scroll down, you'll notice some applications are messed up. So, for example, Hyper4, YouTube, Dropbox, Adobe, they are just black icons, as you can see here. Most of some applications are, for example, Skype. I know it's a beta version, but if you go to, for example, to the website Windows Central, you will see that these apps show up. For example, Hyper4 YouTube is working fine. I don't know how they did, but in this particular build I have, the Windows Store Beta is messed up. as you can see, even in Office applications. The final one that I want to show you, and you've probably been looking the whole video, is the recycle bin icon. I don't know why they didn't change it. I mean, they made beautiful icons for the new folders in Windows 10, but the recycle bin has been around since Windows 7 and they never changed it. I mean, come on, it's a new Windows. It should be with new icons, not just the old icons of Windows 7. It's not just the recycle bin, but if you go to down here, if you go to control panel, you will notice that the icons here didn't change. Well, Microsoft says that it's going towards eliminating or taking off control panel from Windows and replacing it with settings. Of course, as you can see, there are some basic settings that have been in control panel. They've been added to Windows 10, as you can see, in personalization and some other basic settings. That was all it for today, guys. As I said in the beginning, this video is not I'm not criticizing, of course, Windows 10. It's a beautiful operating system, but it's just showing these problems to Microsoft in order to maybe solve these problems and make Windows 10 final update better. Please, if you like this video, leave a like and subscribe to our channels for more tech videos. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Goodbye.